What's up friends, welcome back to tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to switch accounts on YouTube. Right, so all you have to do guys, just simply open up the YouTube application. Now once you're inside YouTube, you want to click your profile picture on the lower right hand side or at the top, wherever you find it based on the device that you're using. Right now, once you're here, you will see at the top right below your picture, your profile picture, switch account. So all you have to do, just simply click on switch account. You will find all of those accounts, and then all you have to do is just select the account that you have. If you don't have an additional account or additional Gmail already signed in, then you simply need to click at the top where you have the plus button. So once you click on the plus button, it will take you here where you need to log into a new email address. So you can come here, you can fill in your email address, fill in the password, and once you fill in the password, you will have that account signed. You will have that additional account showing on the other accounts here. And once you're seeing it, all you have to do, just simply tap on it and you will be signed into that new account. And that's all there is to it guys. Very easy and very simple.